Good morning. So what I got going on here is I've struggled with the GoPro 11 Black with GPS telemetry, and I've now driving in my car, as you can see, and I'm actually testing whether the GPS telemetry signal is blocked by the GoPro Media Mod case, which I suspect it is, but GoPro is telling me now that I've got a GPS lock and it's active. So let's just see. I'm doing around 50 miles an hour. Let's just see if it's capturing this GPS data. This is the GoPro 11 Black with no media case, simply a GoPro 11 on a selfie hand stick. And then what I'll do, I'll check the GPS status when I put the media mod back on, see if it loses GPS fix, and we'll try and record that. There's a little hole on top of the case next to the record button, which is slighted to be the GPS sensor. So let's just have a look. I'm just going to call out some speeds here. So this is 40, 41 arguably on my speedo, 39, 40, 42. So here we can see that's enough of a test because I'm coming up for traffic. So 39, 35, 30, 25, 20, down to stationary stopped. Next test will be with the media mod fitted. Interesting from my exercise point of view that I powered it down cold, put it into the media mod, and despite the camera being powered on for a good 5 or 6 minutes in broad sky, with the media mod on, it's not getting a GPS fix. Let's take a look at how quickly it can get that GPS fix, or indeed even if it gets a GPS fix without the media mod case on. After 2 minutes of the GoPro not being in the media mod, I'd got a GPS fix symbol. So let's just take a look on the way home from McDonald's whether it's actually tracking again, but it does seem to prove one thing, that is that the media mod definitely inhibits the GPS signal of the GoPro, which is a bit disappointing. The media mod is much more than a media mod. It affords protection to the GoPro 11. Gonna have to rethink this, and yeah, might be that I trade the usefulness of the media mod and literally use the GoPro 11 with the side door giving USB pass through for my charger while I'm riding my motorcycle. But a bit disappointing, isn't it? Just going to try something. This is without the media mod, and I've got GPS registration. So while the GPS is hot, and those that understand about GPS they'll understand what I mean by hot, I'm going to put it back in the media case, and seeing that if I connect to GPS without the media mod and then immediately apply the media mod, does it retain that connection to the GPS satellite system? Let's take a look. Been on, so what I've done here is I've took the GoPro out of the media mod case, got GPS lock, put it back in the media mod case, and the media mod case is claiming, or the GPS rather, is claiming that it's still retaining GPS telemetry data. So that's interesting, isn't it? It's almost as if you've got to start it up, get GPS lock, and then keep it powered on, put it in the media mod case, and it seems to retain GPS lock signal. I'm doing just under 30 mile an hour here, 30 mile an hour. So let's just see if the telemetry aligns. I'm not suggesting for 1 minute my old car has a completely truthful speedo. It's about 28, 29, 26, 22, 23, 20. So let's just see if actually it has retained GPS lock throughout the length of this very short journey. Interesting though, for a number of journeys I've made on my classic motorcycles, I've realized that the telemetry was actually missing from the GoPro footage, and that's why it rarely comes outside the media mod case, so it would never have got GPS lock. Another annoying feature, and it's really for GoPro to sort it, because to be frank, they're taking the mick. There's a known bug with the GoPro Quick app that doesn't see the GPS telemetry data on the later versions of the camera. As I said, this is the 11 black, doing just under 40 mile an hour here. And it doesn't see that telemetry data. Use an earlier camera, my 5 blacks work absolutely fine. This 11 black, it does not work at all. So they've left us to use things like 3D Race Renderer, which is a specific commercial program that you pay for. Not only that, those of us that are of a certain age will remember that Quick was preceded by a very good desktop app that around Windows 8.1 stopped working.